Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best ironing board that are available on the market for their true quality.
Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Starting at number 5, we have the Homcare Tabletop Ironing Board. The Homcare Tabletop Ironing Board is ideal if you live in an apartment or have a smaller laundry area. It can sit perfectly on top of a dining table or coffee table so that you can iron with the television on or sit down. It's especially suited for college students, who might possibly try their hand at ironing every once in a while. It folds away and stores easily, so doesn't ruin your street cred, but works as well as you need it to. With an affordable price point too, the Homcare board is a great investment. It also comes with a retractable iron rest, so that you won't burn your dorm carpets or desk. Although not the most durable of ironing boards, it does exactly what it needs to do, without breaking the bank or taking up too much space. Moving on at number 4, we have the Minky Homecare Ergo Plus Ironing Board. The Minky Ergo Plus Ironing Board simplifies the task of ironing and also ensures excellent results. It is suitable for right-handed or left-handed use, and is uniquely designed to follow the body's natural orientation and arm movements, which ultimately helps to reduce arm and shoulder strain. It comes with a Pro-Zone cover with heat-reflective areas that ensures that creases are effectively smoothed out. A felt underlay is added to the surface, which creates a smooth surface to iron on. Another unique addition to the Minky Ergo Plus ironing board is a low-level steam generator rack which securely holds even when hot. Additionally, the board has non-slip feet that are steady on wooden or laminated surfaces. This board also comes with a flex cord guide that prevents tangling. You can fasten it into your preferred position on the ironing board. The height of this ironing board can be adjusted to suitably and comes with a rest where you can store your ironed clothes. The framework of Ergo Plus is constructed from high-grade metal and it is balanced on loop legs. With a sleek and contemporary design, this ironing board ranks high for style, convenience, and functionality. It comes with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty and is available in 3 different color options. At number 3, we have the Mabel Home Extra Wide Ironing Pro Board. This is our premium pick out of all the ironing boards on this list. Although it does have an incredibly high price point, it's clear to see why, with all the additional features. Unique to this board are the shoulder wings, which are also retractable. This means that you can iron a full shirt without having to move it about too much. The Mabel Home board also has adjustable height, robust legs, and an extra wide surface area, giving you endless possibilities when it comes to getting all your ironing done and dusted. At number 2, we have the Superior Essentials Wall-Mounted Ironing Board. The Superior Essentials Wall-Mounted Ironing Board is a good option for users who have space constraints. It is extremely easy to set up as all you have to do is fold the board down when you want to use it and then fold it up after use. It comes with a wooden mounting plate that makes the installation process easy. The ironing boards measure 37 inches by 12 inches, which gives you ample space to iron your clothes. Its fashionable design ensures it does not look out of place in any home. Though this ironing board is mounted on a wall, it can be moved and locked in multiple angles. The framework of this ironing board is mainly constructed from steel, which makes the product sturdy and durable. A major advantage of this ironing board is that it doesn't have any legs, which mean there will be no blemish on your floors. And finally at number 1, we have the Homz Contour Cover Stable Ironing Board. The Homz Contour Ironing Board is ideal if you need something that irons well and gets the job done. Although it doesn't come with any extras, such as an iron holder or sleeve board, the 100% cotton cover means that your clothes will be wrinkle-free in seconds and you can get through loads quickly. The steel construction of the actual board means it's built to last and incredibly durable, giving you peace of mind that your board will stand the test of time. You might need to invest in a better cover along the line, but the sturdy legs and protection feet covers will keep going. The steel can also withstand high temperatures of heat, So if you have a high-performance steam iron, there's no need to worry.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.